Monday, nonviolent criminals can no longer be held on bond. Good evening and thanks for joining us on this Friday. I'm Heather Lewis. The rule was laid down by the Missouri Supreme Court. Our Jesse Inman is here after hearing from a law enforcement official who is frustrated by the decision. Jesse.
Well, Heather, the rule allows for people accused of nonviolent crimes such as drug sales, property theft, or break-ins to wait for their court date from home rather than a jail cell. But one Ozarks sheriff who I talked to thinks that this is a bad move by the state's highest court.
And basically the court has said, if you're not a violent criminal, give them a ticket and tell them to come back to court.
In Laclede County, Sheriff David Millsap says the Missouri Supreme Court decision to let nonviolent offenders skip a jail stay and come back in for a court appearance later lets criminals such as burglars off the hook too easily.
There are people out here that need to be in jail prior to their trial, and we base that on common sense in Laclede County. The judges, the prosecutor, and law enforcement look at it and go, this is somebody that is a problem in the community, who's a threat to people's property, and they need to be in jail.
Millsap believes the time between an arrest and a court date will give people time to commit other crimes.
I may arrest you on Monday for a burglary. You get issued a summons, you're right back out on the street to commit another burglary.
As things stand now, people spend time in jail waiting for the justice system to run its course. And defense attorney Dee Wampler says that in many cases, it just isn't necessary.
Under the current rules, a person is arrested and the person a lot of times is held in jail for weeks at a time until he can get a lawyer, go to court, get the bond lowered, or just come up with enough money to pay a bond.
Wampler believes the priority for jails needs to be for those who commit worse crimes.
We have violent offenders that we want to put in jail, but we can't because somebody is in there on a non-support charge.
If it's a first-time offender who has no prior history, I see where this is an okay thing. There are very few first-time offenders that sit in the jail.
Now, another big concern that Millsap talked about was that this will lead to more people missing their court dates, he believes, which will then force deputies to be stretched even thinner to serve warrants. And again, this law takes effect on July 1st, which is next Monday.